So the sublimation printer is not necessarily new, but it's new to us.
Yes.
And we have not played with it until now. And you know how much we are loving the Brother ScanNCut. Oh my goodness,
Well,
having
some of us
so
are.
much fun.
Wah, wah.
She hasn't yet, but not yet. But you know, the thing that I love about Brother is it's almost created this ecosystem of creativity, if you will. I mean, that's pretty big, right?
Wow, Einstein.
Well, it's true because you've got the
An
embroidery
ecosystem
machines.
of creativity.
Okay, will you write that down?
Creativity.
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. I'm not kidding because it is so amazing. You've got the sewing machines, the embroidery machines, and then you have the ScanNCut that
now
talks
printers.
with it. And well, you know, Brother is known for their printers, right? So why not have a sublimation printer? So what exactly does it do?
Yes, why do I need one of these, Chris?
Because if you want to talk about taking your creativity to a whole new level and really personalizing items for yourself, for gifts to make, or what about a little side hustle? How many of you out there would love like just this little extra source of income? Right?
Right, to pay for your quilting habit.
Exactly. Well, I'm thinking about even my own nephew. I've been talking to him about this because he's a college student right now. His classes are so crazy, it's hard to find a job that will work with his schedule. I said, you know what? This is something that you might be interested in.
Wow.
Because making these things are, one, so easy, so fast. You're going to love it. Janice said, I'm listening, Chris. I'm listening. All right, let me show you real quick just some examples of what I've been working on. So first off, how about Christmas ornaments? Let's start out with that because, you know, it's coming up and I can't say enough about how much I love a personalized Christmas ornament. I never knew how these were made. Never, ever, ever knew. And now I know, and I can make them for my family, for my friends. What I did was I took different pictures from each year, and I just typed the year in there of when they were taken, and now we have these ornaments that, I mean, look.
My favorite, right here.
They look so professional. Oh, yeah,
and what if you had those through the years? I mean, these are keepsakes right here.
Exactly. And you know what? It was so simple. It literally took me about 60 seconds to do. And I am not kidding you. Not kidding at all. My nephew just got engaged and they have the most beautiful pictures of their engagement. I decided to make a ceramic ornament for him and for his fiance. And so this is a ceramic ornament, see? And it's just put right on there. So easy, took 60 seconds to do. I also wanted to celebrate with them. I'm going to gift to them for Christmas, but it's a puzzle.
Fun.
Look how fun that is.
Oh my word, how fun to put these.
Easy.
Send it to your kids, your grandkids, your nieces, your nephews, your moms, your grandmas, and take it apart and they have to put it together.
And they have to put it together. You know how much I have paid in the past? I paid a lot of money for personalized puzzles.
Have you?
Yeah. And I've had them, sent off. I send off a picture. No, I can now do it in my own home. And this is the size of the printer, guys. I mean, it doesn't take up very much space at all. Here's a mouse pad. Mouse pads are really fun to do.
And you know how fast this was because guess what? She just got back.
That's right. That's Kim and I in Ireland. This is Tonks, which is Abby's pride and joy. This is a picture of Jake and his little puppy a few years ago, and it's been a favorite of ours, and now he has that in his office, and it's just, again, the personalization is enormous. How about T-shirts?
Okay.
T-shirts are all the rage.
This is what sold me.
Isn't that great?
This is not a vinyl T-shirt.
No, you cannot even. When the sublimation happens, the ink is going into all the threads. Now you have to have a polyester item for this, okay? And it needs to be white or a light color will work fine as well. But I can wash that and wash it and wash it and wash it over and over again, and it never.
It's not going to crack. It's not going to peel. It's not any of those things.
I know, exactly. And
I mean,
it's perfect.
Your grandson is going to grow out of this before this
Yep, I know,
Okay.
so fun. Okay, oh my gosh, so many things. Okay, how
Okay, we
about
gotta hurry.
pop
Yes.
sockets, right?
Oh my gosh.
Pop sockets, so
All the
fun.
kids have
Again,
these. Yep.
all the rage, right? We have bookmarks. These are giant paper
Or
clips.
to clip my, my work together with, because I only have this much.
Yeah, sure. How about ceramic coasters? These are prints
I
that
have Mod
just
Podge and
printed
Mod
off.
Podge and Mod Podge trying to get these to look like this, and they all stick together. This is
Look
perfect.
at that. That is
great.
ceramic, Allison. That's crazy. Okay, how about can cozies?
Oh, yep.
Look how cute that is. And Allison, I even made one for you. It has an A for Allison.
She knew I needed a Diet Coke.
Yeah, I did.
Or Coke Zero.
Yeah, that works. But look how cute this is. It says, keeping my soda quilty and cute.
Oh, how cute is that?
So again, so much fun. Luggage tags, okay, how about that? How
You know, if you travel a lot, people steal your luggage.
That's right, I'm gonna
They never
know.
will with that.
I'm gonna know exactly what my luggage is. How about key rings for chapstick?
Oh,
right?
nice.
Again, personalization.
Oh, look how cute
at
that
its
is.
Best.
Run,
Yeah.
Mama, run.
That's when she was in the race, and again, so much fun. Let me show you two more things real quick. When we look at, let's look at the blanket.
Okay, I'm gonna grab this one.
Because these are fleece blankets, and how about Baby's First Christmas? So
These are so cute.
I just designed that little picture and was able just to put it on. It took about 45 seconds
Look at
to
this.
do.
Not vinyl.
No.
It's just you feel the fleece right through
It's
it.
so soft.
I
And then
think Allison needs a wipe.
there you go. And I even have my first Hanukkah
Let me
over
grab it.
there, which I think is fun. This
is a little bit more, more cushy.
The thing about this, Allison, is that these are all ready-made items. And so all you have to do is just add
Oh,
to
so
it.
sweet.
Okay, right here. How about this? A glass cutting board.
I
a glass
love
cutting
this.
board, guys.
This is a great Christmas
What
gift.
about a Christmas gift, a wedding gift? You sublimate it on the back. You can put it in the dishwasher. There's no scratching off because the sublimation is actually seen through from the back to the front. Bookmarks. Boom, boom. We've got, a car freshener. Okay, do you recognize that? That's little Tonks right there. And I took his mom and dad, and on the Artspira app, I was able to make that picture, turn it into a drawing like that, and it was easy to do. Okay, let me show you real quick
This,
over
I
here.
love this little
because you're gonna
washcloth.
see how easy it is. What I already did was I printed little Tonks right here, and I'm gonna make Abby a Christmas ornament. All right, so this is gonna be a Christmas ornament. Now these are blanks. You can find them in so many different places, and but I wanted to let you know that we now have an Amazon store available that if you're interested in any of the blanks, we would love it if you used our link. The links are in the comments, and you can actually shop from the Amazon store, and we're an affiliate for them.
Which is so great.
Yeah.
We don't have to compete anymore. Just shop away.
Exactly. So here we've got Tonks. He was printed out just a few minutes ago. It was so simple. I'm going to place my little Christmas ornament over top. Now, normally I would also put like heat-resistant tape over it, but I forgot that
Just to
at
keep it in
home.
place?
Just to hold it in place,
Okay.
yeah. So I'm gonna hopefully do my best here. And I just have this easy little heat press, and I'm going to have a countdown. All this has to go for is 55 seconds.
Now, if
you
I didn't
guys.
have a heat press, could I do this with my iron?
You know what? I would certainly recommend a heat press. And
Okay.
the reason for that is because you get nice heat that is even, and your iron just can't do that. And your iron just can't get that hot.
And for this long, mine would turn off.
Exactly. In fact, I hope this works out okay because I'm actually on an ironing board right now, and they actually recommend that you do it on a table.
Okay.
So we'll see how this turns out here in a few seconds. But again, so simple to do. What about those of you who want to make quilt blocks with family photographs? That's a big deal too. You know,
And they would be on the fabric instead
you
of
wouldn't
an
have to
iron
worry.
on.
Exactly.
Wow, if they could be washed.
They could be washed, and they would never lose their color. They would never go away. So I'm thinking, you know, again, family tree blocks.
I'm gonna love this.
Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm kind of nervous though because I didn't have all my right tools, but let's see. Look at that.
Oh,
He's
how
so
darling.
Cute. He's so cute.
That is so
I had a
cute.
little bit of ghosting I'm seeing on here, and that's, I think, simply because I didn't have it like taped down.
Yeah.
But you know what? Look how simple that was to do.
Oh,
and
my
now
heck.
that little ornament is all done. Is that crazy?
That better have a place of honor on Abby's tree, I'm just saying.
Exactly. So much fun. Socks. You want to personalize socks? Personalized socks. Put your husband's face all over them.
Okay, so
You
I
know?
paid a lot of money last Christmas to put
Exactly.
my face on a pair of pajama pants for my
Yes.
husband.
You could do that with this.
Wow.
You guys, seriously, the possibilities are endless. They truly are. It's going to be, you're going to have so much fun. You're going to be thinking, what else can I sublimate?
Oh, no.
It is so
Lock
much
your
fun.
desks, everybody.
Yeah, that's right.